Hello Artsy, today we are going to make oval eyes. I have used this in my Amigurumi cactus. In this tutorial, we are going to use white yarn, 4.5mm hook, and a pair of safety eyes. We are going to start with a foundation chain of 6 chains. So go ahead and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chain. Then on the second chain from the hook, make 2 single crochet. That's 1, 2, and then we are going to make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So that's your first single crochet, second single crochet on the next stitch, then third single crochet on the next stitch. On the last chain, we are going to make 3 single crochet. It will give us an increase to make the curve of the oval eyes. So go ahead and make 3 single crochet in the same chain. Next, on the other side of the chain, we are going to continue with 1 single crochet on each chain. Make sure that you only make your single crochets on the unfinished part of the stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3 single crochet. And then since we already made 2 single crochet in the first part of this round, so we are only going to make 1 single crochet on the 4th stitch before we make a slip stitch on the first chain of this round. So go ahead and make a slip stitch, and then chain 1. That ends our round 1. For round 2, make 1 single crochet on the same stitch, then 2 single crochets in the next. That's 1, 2 on the same stitch, then make 3 single crochet on the next 3 stitches. That's first single crochet, second single crochet, then third single crochet. Then we are going to make increase on the next 3 stitches. So that means 2 single crochet in each stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then make 1 single crochet again in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and then another increase on the last stitch. Slip stitch on top of the first stitch, then that, chain 1, cut your yarn, for sewing later, then pull the working yarn over, give it a tug, and then what I normally do to give it a smooth finish, I slip stitch the working yarn on the next chain to move the longer yarn at the back of our oval. Either sew the pupil of the oval eyes, but for my case I'm going to use safety eye. But before that, we need to weave in the ends of the shorter yarn, then cut it. Then for this particular project, I am going to use safety eyes and put it at the bottom of the oval. Again, you could either choose to use safety eyes, or you may want to sew your pupil. Then once you insert the safety eyes, you can already sew this oval eyes in any of your project. And this is where I use the oval eyes. You can experiment to use it in any of your project. I'd love to see the outcome of your own oval eyes. Feel free to tag me on Instagram. Bye-bye!